Welcome back viewers. So in the last video we have taken a quick look at the Fedora Games lab, and in this video we are going to check the system configuration, whether the system is configured by default or low latency, because the games will require low latency instant response from the system to the user inputs. So in that case it requires some tweaking of the system settings. So we are going to investigate whether the Fedora developers have already tweaked the system to suit the needs of the gamers, or the gamers required to do it by themselves. So to test this, we have to open the file system, that is the root file system, open the etc folder, and in etc folder you have to search for the security folder. Inside security you have got limits.d folder, and once you open it, there will be two files. One is 25 PWR limits and the 95 jack configuration. So jack configuration is also there, and the limit system limits file is there. So if we check the system limits file, you will find pipewire RT PRIO, that is the real-time priority for pipewire audio is 70. Pipewire nice, so this is the settings for the kernel. So kernel responsiveness will increase, that is -19, and the pipewire memory lock is 4194304 blocks. And now we will investigate the jack configuration also. So here you can see jack user, this real-time priority is set to 70. Jack user memory lock is 4194304. Now pulse, that is the pulse real-time configuration has been set to priority 20, and the pulse RT nice, that is the kernel settings, has been put at -20. So the jack is configured for both your pipewire as well as pulse audio also. And here you can see the pipewire configuration is there for the complete system, and this is the jack configuration for both pipewire and pulse audio. So if you have got pulse audio applications still using pulse audio as the background sound server, then there will be a bridge between pulse audio and the pipewire. So for that there is a separate priority listed here, and this is the priority listed for the your pipewire. So jack can be used both by the applications using only pipewire and applications using only pulse audio. So this is we can say migration going slowly from pulse audio to the pipewire. So in between the times the developers have to give, we can say you have to give configuration for both, and there should be a bridge between these two totally different sound servers, so both can work, and all the applications become compatible, and they can give the results to the users. So everything has been done properly by default by the system developers of Fedora Games Lab, and you can use this system even to do your video recording, audio recording also. So same configuration that is used for the digital audio workstation or video processing or digital design, that can be used in games also. So you must have seen many of the content creators are using gaming laptops, and the software or the Linux distributions available for games can be used for video production, audio production also. For example, I will give the example of Garuda Linux. So Garuda Linux can be used for both games as well as your audio and video production and other design related, content creation related work. So on this note, I will stop here. See you in the next video, where we will check out some of the games from each of the sections available in the Fedora Games Lab. Bye bye.